Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to open up my last submission and go over my next submission. So let's get into this. Yeah, obviously FedEx was a little fed up. They got a notification that the package was going to be in between 11 and 3. At 10:30 it become between 1 and 3, which is fine. Closer to 3 it became end of the day. Then it came in last night, probably 7 o'clock. Which, it's fine. It's just that I literally had to sign for it. Crazy. I'm really getting ready for my next one, but I already seen the results online, but haven't seen the actual coin. So here's the MS66 2016D. That's awesome. I got a couple quarters that I'll eventually submit to. There's the P, MS65. The dime, 2016D, MS66. I'm a big fan of the dime. I think it turned out beautiful. Obverse and reverse. I think it's a great depiction. There's the P, MS65. The nickel, 6-step, that's the D. Six-step P, MS66. Then I got a couple nickels in 79, proof 67 deep cam. Oh, yeah, that did turn out awesome. (2018) proof 66 deep cam. Yeah, I do like. I'm not a fan of the business strike reverse, the shield. I don't like it, but this turned out awesome on the proof with the deep cam. I think the reverse proof would look awesome too. 2015 proof 69 deep cam. Oh, that's awesome. (1983) proof corroded. Proof 60 details. I don't know, unless it's a spot on the back. I don't know where they come up with the corroded. That's alright. Here's another 2000 Cheerios MS64. Had a lot of dust on these. I think I submitted to 3 of them. MS64. MS65. I think they turned out awesome. Be great additions to my collection. Here are the ones that I plan on submitting. A set of Canadian, the 1998 1 cent, crowned. I do like them. I think that the Canadian cent also turned out pretty nice. I do like the maple leaf design. I think that's awesome. It's a 2002 50 year. Can't go wrong with a couple shiny beavers. 2020. Here's an interesting one. I can't remember where I come across this, but it's got some awesome toning, some yellows and greens, and the whole coin's got like a copper tone to it. Some great rainbow toning. I like it just because of the toning. Obviously it's just a 1999. I don't think it's anything special, but curious on how they come back. It'll probably come back artificial toning, but that's okay. Here's the 2012. This is the painted version. Awesome. It's the Blue Nose 1921, 2021. I also got a Poppy. It's just a 2015 Poppy colored. A 2001 silver proof toonie. Boy, the shine on that is awesome. I do like that. The black rim toonie. I got this one from Blockus. I think it's awesome. It'd be great slabbed and certified and be awesome. This is the Remember. The non-colorized. That's 2000. No, Remember 2015. And I do think that there's a color version too. I'm not quite sure. This is the Wait for Me Daddy 2014. Yeah, I was going to send a King Charles 2023 and the Queen 2023 and have both sets of those done, but maybe the next submission. But that's the next 10 that I'm going to submit. Hopefully have these off tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. Hopefully have these off Thursday or Friday. I think it'll be awesome. It'll probably take a little longer because they're non-US, and it seems like the last time I sent some non-US off, it took a couple months for them to do them. But we'll see. But yeah, it's awesome. Any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you like what you see, please give it the thumbs up. And as always, thank you and have a grateful day.